Hey YouTube, so sewing Sunday out there. For me, it's Sunday, just lounging around the house, and I usually try to do a sewing project because it's just how I relax. So I'm gonna try to make this video again. Bloggy battery's running down, and kids are playing and yelling outside. Dog is barking because she can't get out there. So I'm gonna try to make this quick. Project today was I made some flannel washcloths. I absolutely love flannel, love washing my face with a flannel washcloth. So we used some pajama pants that had holes in them laying around, and I cut out, I think I could get about 5, but I cut out currently about 4 washcloths. So here is what we have. This is the band of the pajama pants, and I left one of these legs intact so you can see. So this would be your pajama pant. I took a washcloth and laid it out and just pinned it on. I just left it right side out, the pajama pant material, pinned it on, and then cut them out into squares. Made sure I got them all the same size. I started at the taper of the leg first, so if the washcloth was smaller, then the rest would be the same. So started with that smaller part of the pajama pants. Cut them out, had the 4 squares, did not, just sewed inside, so flipped them inside out. It was kind of nice because the seam of the leg left one seam on the washcloth, or the wipe, whatever you want to use these for. And then I just sewed around the edge. I left an open spot so we can flip and turn it, and then top stitched on the outside of the washcloth. So I'm really excited. I like them being 2-sided. So now once I flip these and top stitch these, I have 4 nice washcloths, baby wipes, whatever you want to use them for. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I hope you all have a great Sunday. See ya. Thanks.